Alright, I'm going to show you a redneck way to take the crank pulley bolt out if you don't have the crank pulley tool for Subarus. This is really rednecky, but since you go counterclockwise to take anything off, have your socket on off, get yourself a breaker bar, put it back there, somewhere where it's not going to break anything. And then what you're going to do, you're going to have your battery connected. You turn the key real quick, and all that does, it breaks it loose. That's what we want. Don't hold it, or else it'll be catastrophic, but I've never done that, so just don't do it. Alright, I'm just going to crank it over real quick. Hopefully, yep, everything's working. Just real quick. That should be all that you need. Yep. Easy as that. So if you don't want to spend money on a crank pulley tool, that's one way to do that. But let me warn you about one thing. Do not do this with the timing belt off. I learned the bad thing that day. So yeah, just a simple trick. Yeah.